Hare Krishna, Namaste, Chapter 18, which is entitled as Sannyasa Yoga. Sloka 14 and 15, Part 3. Adhiṣṭhānaṁ tathā kartā karaṇaṁ pṛthag-vidham vividhāś pṛthak ceṣṭā daivaṁ caivātra pañcamam śarīra-vāṅ-manobhir karma prārabhate naraḥ nyāyyaṁ viparītaṁ pañcaite tasya hetavaḥ. The place of action, that is the body, the performer, the various senses, the many different kinds of endeavor, and ultimately the Supersoul. These are the 5 factors of action. Whatever right or wrong action a man performs by body, mind, or speech is caused by these 5 factors. From the last 2 sessions, we have learned about 2 factors out of 5. One is adhiṣṭhānaṁ, that is the body. Second one is kartā, the individual self. The third in the list is karaṇaṁ pṛthag-vidham, that is the 5 different organs of action together with the mind, having different functions. There are 5 working senses called karmendriya, and there are 5 knowledge acquiring senses known as nyāyyaṁ. The 5 knowledge acquiring senses, jnanendriyas, are chakshushu, kshotra, grana, rasana, and tvak. That is sense organ of sight, to see, that is eyes, sense organ of hearing, that is ears, sense organ of smell, that is nose, sense organ of taste, that is tongue, and sense organ of touch, that is skin. These are known as pañcamam, through which one gets knowledge of certain things. Whereas panchakarmendriyas are vak, pani, pada, payu, upastha, the motor organ of speech, the speech organ, the organ of grasp or hold, which is hands, the organ of movements, that is feet, payu, upastha, the organs of excretion. What has been said here are the karmendriyas which are directly involved in performing actions, but they do not get involved in action directly. The mind is the one which triggers for the action. So what has been said here as a third factor is these indriyas, karmendriyas, along with mind. Jnanendriya has a power to know things, to acquire knowledge, but they do not directly get into action. The work are done only through the karmendriyas. As the sloka says, śarīra-vāṅ-manobhir. It is through body, speech, and mind one performs certain actions. Lifting an object, speaking about something, walking, discharging the waste from the body, and also generating lower pleasures, or the function of karmendriya. The mind too is an organ of knowledge, can be considered under jnanendriya, but the mind is a direct cause for the function of the karmendriya, and also it is the cause of sankalpa, the will of the individual self. Therefore, the mind is added here along with the karmendriya. The 4th one in the list is vividhāś pṛthak ceṣṭā. The vital air gets diversified into 5 kinds: prana, apana, samana, udhana, and vyana. These are responsible for the various bodily actions like breathing, blinking of eyelids, etc. The Upanishads explains that association with the vital air is essential to the body and the indriyas for their being and functioning. The pranavayu located at the chest region and travels from there to upward within the body. This vayu maintains the body temperature. Apanavayu located at the lower abdomen region and travels from there towards down, all the ways to the feet. This vayu eliminates the waste and impure carbon dioxide and also used for reproductive function. Samana vayu located at the navel region helps in digestion. Vyana vayu, which distributes the energy into all areas of the body, and Udhana vayu helps the function of speech, nourishes the brain, sense organs, etc. We have also covered this in detail when we did the 29th sloka in 4th chapter. Apane jhuvati pranam, prane apanam tathā pare, pranāpāna gati rudhva pranayama parayanaha, apare niyatahāraha pranan praneshu jhuvati. When these airs are not balanced well, then there are a lot of problems that happens in the body. If these airs doesn't function as it's supposed to, then one will not be able to fulfill their action, their desired action. If these airs doesn't function as it's supposed to, then we won't be able to walk, we won't be able to fold our legs, hands, or extend our legs and hands. We won't be able to breathe in and breathe out. Then where is the question of all these things of extending our hands, folding our hands, blinking our eyes, etc. So, the 4 factors that we have seen or causes for actions are the body, the individual self, the senses along with mind, and the vayus. The last one, but not the least, the most important cause is daivaṁ caivātra pañcamam. That is, Krishna, Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, is the main cause. We will learn about this 5th cause in our next session. Namaste, Hare Krishna.